Okay, today in your phonics word study lesson, we talked about homophones. A homophone is two words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Today on your assignment, you are going to read each sentence and you're going to find a word on the right side that would fit into that sentence, but you have to pick the correct homophone. For example, the first sentence says, "The red blank smells sweet." If I look over here, the word that would make sense would be rose. I have rose, R-O-S-E, and rose, R-O-W-S. R-O-S-E is the one that means a flower. So I would drag this over here, and then I have the red rose smells sweet. Number two, he knocked at the door, and I said, "Come blank." I would say, "Come in." I have I-N or I-N-N. I-N would be the correct spelling to come in because I-N-N means like a hotel room, somewhere you stay. So continue doing that for those 10 sentences. Find the correct homophone that goes in the blank.